The first overseas Chinese talent conference for development kicked off Wednesday in Fuzhou, China. More than 1,000 guests from 37 countries and regions are participating in the conference and will conduct exchanges and engage in cooperation concerning overseas Chinese talent and economic development in key fields.
在福建福州啊，我们有这么样一个很好的一个华人华侨的这样的一个平台。我们希望啊，我们福州福建要利用我们这个平台呀，在科技创新，特别在医学科技创新方面。
我觉得这次大会是一个非常好的机会，然后不仅是学术上的一些交流与合作，另外通过一些前辈们的分享经验，也是给我们这些年轻人一些很好的经验教训，就是说如何去找这个投资人，如何去找企业产业落实。
Fuzhou is well known for being the hometown of a large number of Chinese who now reside abroad. According to statistics, there are more than 4.3 million overseas Chinese from Fuzhou currently living in over 170 countries and regions. In recent years, Fuzhou has been optimizing the business environment for overseas Chinese. Since 2022, Fuzhou has introduced 17 projects involving overseas Chinese, with a contracted foreign investment totaling $531 million.